Hey everybody, Mark from Erickson here, and today we're talking about the tri-folding ramp. This ramp is just what you need for that 3 or 4 wheeler. The tri-fold design allows you to store these large ramps in tight spaces. All aluminum construction makes the ramp light, yet 1,500 pounds of weight is no problem. State-of-the-art robotic welders are used instead of rivets, which can loosen over time. The extra wide cross member makes for easy loading with small wheeled items. Strong extruded aluminum end plates. We added some rib to give that extra bite on wet days. 2 models are available, 45-inch wide, 69-inch long, or if you need a larger model, try our 50-inch wide and 77-inch long. We do include safety straps as well. So whether you tie it, tow it, or load it, Erickson's got it.